Here's how you can recover your PSN account if two-factor authentication device is lost. First, you need to launch a web browser and then go to playstation.com. Try signing into your account. Tap on sign in, which is highlighted in blue color in the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the login portal. Go ahead, enter your email address followed by your password of your PlayStation and sign into your account. If you can't sign in, tap on Trouble Signing In, which is below About Sony account in this page. Tap on that. Now you'll get 3 different options to recover your account, create an account, and sign in help. As recover your account is indicating forgetting the password and unable to use the passkey, we're going to tap on recover your account option. This will take you to another page where you need to simply enter the correct form of your sign-in ID, your email address in this field. Tap on send link option, which is highlighted in blue color. And you need to go ahead and check an email inbox for the message sent by Sony to your account. Sony will then verify your identity, use your email address, security questions if you set them up, and account activity info like recent purchases or console serial numbers. If you verify your account correctly, Sony will send a recovery code or link to your email address. Use the recovery code to log in and temporarily disable two-factor authentication. And after logging in, you can set up new two-factor authentication device. If you can't verify your identity, you can contact the PlayStation support directly. So have your username, email, console, serial numbers, and recent transaction details ready. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.